Friday morning. Your paycheck lands and $100 leaves your checking account before you have decided what the weekend will cost. That afternoon, a mechanic calls. The repair is larger than expected. At the kitchen table, someone who shares the bills with you asks the obvious question: should we cancel this month's transfer? The investment app offers no argument. It shows a small green confirmation and a balance that barely moves. Now repeat that ordinary decision 359 more times. 30 years later, place every dollar you personally transferred on the table. The pile contains $36,000. Then open the brokerage account. In a controlled 7% model, the screen reads almost $122,000. $36,000 came from your paychecks. Almost $86,000 came from growth. This is not a forecast, a guaranteed return, or a real investor's statement. The model assumes $100 deposited at the end of every month with no withdrawals, taxes, fees, or inflation removed. But it answers the title immediately. $100 a month becomes almost $122,000. The more important question is how. The file changes classification 3 times. First, the account begins producing more in a month than you deposit. Then accumulated growth becomes larger than everything you have contributed. Finally, the balance is reduced by the costs and prices the clean headline does not show. Start with the part most people abandon. After 1 year, $1,200 has left your bank. The investment screen shows about $1,239. A full year has produced roughly $39 of visible growth. You check the number while waiting in a grocery line. The transfer felt real when it reduced your checking balance. The growth is barely large enough to change what is in the cart. At year 5, you have transferred $6,000. The account shows about $7,159. A coworker sees the screen during lunch and asks why you would lock away money for a result that small. It is a reasonable question. The account has required 5 years of behavior and delivered only about $1,159 beyond what you supplied. At year 10, you have deposited $12,000. The balance is roughly $17,308. The number is larger, but nearly 70% of it is still your own money. This is the quitting zone. The structure is working, yet the reward remains visually weak. The account still resembles a slow record of sacrifice. The app does not show the choices competing with the transfer. It does not show the phone you kept for another year, the dinner you declined, or the repair invoice waiting in another tab. Canceling the transfer creates an immediate benefit. Continuing creates a future balance you cannot yet feel. Look closer at the statement. Every deposit has the same label, but not the same age. The newest $100 has been inside the account for days. The first 100 has been there for almost 10 years. One has barely entered the system. The other has spent years producing returns, then returns on those returns. Now leave the year 10 balance open for 1 more month. Inside the smooth 7% model, the existing account can generate about $101 before the next contribution is counted. That is the first reclassification. For the first time, the account can add more than the $100 arriving from your paycheck. You still make the transfer. The confirmation looks identical. Nobody around you notices, but your deposit is no longer the largest new force entering the file. A real market will not deliver $101 in a clean monthly line. 1 month may be green, another sharply red, and an entire year can move backward. The model smooths that disorder so the mechanism can be inspected. Your actual screen would be less obedient. Imagine opening the account during a decline. The balance is lower than it was 3 months earlier. Your automatic transfer arrives anyway. The same $100 buys more units at the lower price and fewer at the higher one. That schedule is called dollar cost averaging. It controls the timing of contributions. It does not control the market, prevent losses, or guarantee the final balance. This is where the human problem becomes more difficult. You do not experience 30 years. You experience month 87 when the car needs another repair. Month 112 when the rent renews higher. A red account screen on the same morning a friend shows you a purchase they are excited about. Their decision produces something visible today. Yours produces another line in an account. At year 15, you have deposited $18,000. The screen shows about $31,700. Growth has added roughly $13,700. The result is no longer trivial, but your contributions still hold the majority position. If the account became 2 physical stacks, the stack marked "you added" would remain taller. Then the distance begins closing faster. Total contributions rise in a straight pattern, another $1,200 every year. Growth does not follow that line. Each percentage point is applied to a base that keeps expanding. At the end of year 18, you have contributed $21,600. The account is worth about $43,072. The growth column is roughly $21,472. The two sides are almost equal. 1 month later, total contributions reach $21,700. Accumulated growth reaches roughly $21,723. The gold side becomes larger. That is the second reclassification. More than half of the balance no longer represents money removed directly from your paychecks. It represents returns generated by money that remained invested long enough to acquire history. You are still adding $100. Your income has not suddenly changed. The institution does not send a congratulatory letter. The screen simply crosses a line. You are no longer the account's largest contributor. At year 20, the balance passes about $52,000. You have supplied $24,000. Growth has supplied a little more than $28,000. A person sitting beside you at the kitchen table can now see what the early screen concealed. The account is not merely storing the transfers that competed with repairs, rent, and ordinary weekends. It has become an asset with a contribution of its own. 5 years later, your deposits total $30,000. The balance is about $81,000. During those 5 years, you added $6,000. Growth added almost $23,000. The account added nearly 4 times what you did. That sentence sounds powerful because the later years are carrying the history of the earlier ones. Compounding did not arrive as a dramatic event. It accumulated authority until your monthly transfer became the smaller of the 2 contributors. Now the file reaches its 3rd classification. The headline number must survive contact with reality. Change 1 cell in the model. At 4%, the same 360 transfers finish near $69,405. At 10%, they finish near $226,049. You contributed the same $36,000 in all 3 files. The assumed return created the difference. So almost $122,000 is not destiny. It is the result of the 7% version. And even that screen is still showing a number before friction. Open the fund prospectus or account disclosure. Find the annual operating expense, advisory charge, or other recurring fee. The percentage may look too small to matter because it is never presented as one 30-year invoice. Run the same transfer through 2 simplified accounts. Both earn 7% before costs. One loses 1/4% each year. The other loses 1%. After 30 years, the lower cost account reaches about $116,147. The higher cost account reaches about $100,452. The difference is nearly $15,700. No single fee removed that amount. Each charge reduced the money left inside the account, then removed the future growth that missing money could have produced. The cost was allowed to compound, too. Now return to the grocery line from year 1. The brokerage app measures future dollars. The cart is purchased with future prices. In a separate model with inflation averaging 2.5%, the final balance of almost $122,000 has purchasing power closer to $58,000 in today's money. Nothing disappeared from the statement. The unit used to measure the statement changed while the number was growing. This does not make the investment meaningless. It prevents the number from impersonating more control than it actually provides. At year 30, the clean 7% model closes at approximately $121,997. $36,000 came from 360 transfers. About $85,997 came from growth. Your deposits represent less than 30% of the final balance. Growth represents a little more than 70%. Now return to the first Friday. The paycheck arrives. The mechanic calls. At the kitchen table, canceling one transfer still sounds reasonable because the present expense is visible and the future account is not. The final statement is not evaluating one decision in isolation. It is evaluating 360 decisions, the age of every earlier deposit, the returns that remained invested, and every cost allowed to stay attached. That is why the same $100 carries two classifications. Spent today, it is $100. Placed inside the account, it becomes $100 plus whatever time, return, cost, tax treatment, inflation, and behavior permit it to become. The title asks what $100 a month becomes after 30 years. Under this declared model, the visible answer is almost $122,000 before taxes, fees, and inflation. The structural answer is that $36,000 purchased control of an asset for 3 decades. At first, you carried it. Then it matched you. Finally, it carried most of the balance itself. The first $100 never became larger because it was special. It became larger because it was allowed to become old.